Chat, what's popping, man? Welcome back to the streams. What is good, everybody? How are we doing? Welcome back. Yo. So, are we on? We're on. Nice. We are back. We are out here. It's Wednesday. How's everyone doing? What's good, everyone? Malinko, Joel. What's good, Tom, Leonidas, Kata. What's good, Omar, Ben. Good morning to everyone. Chat, it's going to be a good day today. I'm pretty certain. I'm excited. What's good, Adam? Yeah, chat. So, should be a great day today, if I'm honest. I'm excited to see what we can come up with here. Gold looks interesting. So, let's get into a little breakdown real quick, and then we will see what is happening. Let me just turn this music down a little bit. Alright, cool. Every day is a great day. That's actually true. And Banyam, what's good? Good morning. Good morning, chat. So, weekly time frame, we have a level right here at 27.48, literally right here that we did tap into. We are currently tapping into. We pushed above it a little bit. We're starting to reject shortly from exactly where we rejected as well previously. Could this be where we start to pull back a little bit towards the, the second half of this week, potentially? If you go to the daily time frame, though, again, similar story. You did close yesterday respecting this level over here to the left at 27.51. You closed respecting that, so realistically that should mean either we're going to continue to push through if we have a good enough volume, or you could see a rejection as well. The daily does only have a top wick here, no real bottom wick, so it might make it very difficult for us to take buys, to be honest, but hopefully we'll be able to catch like a smaller portion of the move so it wouldn't play too much of an impact. Now, that being said, let's drop to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is actually the opposite, right? It's just a bottom wick. So this 4 hour, any given point could flip as well. It did break the previous 4 hour lows, and the previous 4 hour has no top wick. So yeah, it's very interesting price action at the minute. Yesterday's price action was very strange on gold. I had 2 break evens and a win yesterday, so but the win was very small, so it was very interesting, very tough price action, to be honest. There is a level here on the 4 hour at 27.56. You did close above, so realistically, if this 4 hour did want to flip, you do have room up towards the top of the range at 27.87. But with that being said, let's drop to the 1. The 1 hour might tell us a different story. The 1 hour is sort of similar, I think. So we're going to look to the left here. I believe that says 27.58, but I think, yeah, that should be good actually. So, is that it? Yeah. 27.57.1 is going to be our level on the 1 hour. Once you close above there, chat, you have room all the way till at least 27.70 as a minimum, probably most likely all the way to the top, if not towards like 27.76. And then if you're looking to the downside here for sells, realistically I'd be looking somewhere around 27.48, and I believe that should take you towards, let's put this here, 27.30. Let me just see to the left, to the right actually. Yeah, we'll push this one a little bit down towards 27.46.7, and then this one makes sense, to be honest, where it is. Let's put it at 27.28. All right, chat, cool. So that is the analysis there. Very simple, but again, should be super clean here, to be honest, on gold. As long as we can close above 27.57 here, we should be good to get some nice buys to continue up. And if you do close below, we can take a look at the sales, but I'd actually probably like a little bit of a break of structure first. So we'll see what happens on that one. Again, we are very bullish today, other than the fact that we do have the no top wick closure and the respecting support on the daily. So that's making it a little bit of a mixed day, but again, it doesn't really matter too much for us. All we're trying to do is catch a little portion of that whole move. We're not trying to catch the whole thing. So yeah, let's see what we can do, chat. And let's lock it in here. But listen, how you guys been? How's your guys' week so far? My withdrawal from IC markets hit during last night, which was a nice feeling, to be honest. Nice little depot into the bank account. So it's been a good week for me in terms of that. In terms of trading, it's been a little bit slow. I'm pretty much break even for the week. Up a little bit, but let's just call it break even. What about you guys? What's good, Noodle Holtz? Danny, what's good? Cryptomaniac. Mr. Cryptomaniac with the W's. I'm waiting for the weekly wick fill for the TP. Yeah, that's very valid, to be fair. New all-time high as well, but yeah, I think we could do that, to be honest. Quit my job? No way. Shit, Tom. Some more of those payouts. I saw a video of you put in the chat. I didn't watch it. Wait. Is it safe for work? Lovely stuff. Nice. So, chat, we are pushing up off the bottom of the range too. I did see this hourly close when I was like getting up and getting ready. But I decided, yeah, I didn't really want it, to be honest. But now that we are filling this wick, probably wasn't too bad of a play, but we got 47 pips of room towards the top of this range. Let's see, chat. We've got 20 minutes as well to the hourly close. The previous 15-minute did close bullish. We look like we're going to close bullish again. So potentially, chat, if we close bullish here on this 15 in 5 minutes time, we can take a look at some buys towards the top of the range, because realistically, you should fill up towards 57 nonetheless. Can we get to the left, please? Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty much clean traffic all the way through here. Pretty much clean traffic. I'd say you probably have a level like here. Weak break-even level. Should tap back into like, yeah, we should tap back into 57-ish. That 5 just opened with a bottom wick, didn't it? Oh, it did. Interesting. So if we close above this little area here on the 15, I might take a look at some buys because stops are very tight. We've got a lot of room as well towards the top of the range. I do think that we've probably come down and made the low for the day. Unless you're going to flip and re-break. And if you flip and re-break, then you're going to fill it all the way back down, right? I don't see us making another bottom wick unless that's going to be like us really ripping down. Also, the structure that we're making as well on the way up is bullish. You know, we're making new highs and higher lows as well. So for me, we should be good to go. What's good, Triz? Got in long at 27.20 and still holding? The same, bro. One trade this week, 1% up. It was good, Kata. Might be onto something. Into something. Oh, shit. Nice. Nice. Yeah, chat. Unfortunately, this is going to have to be my last stream of the week. Because I'll stream London, sorry, New York today, but I will yeah, I'm taking some flights tomorrow to Cyprus to go look at apartments. It is very important and I can't miss it. I want to learn how to trade. I'm very interested. Yeah, Joel, I got you, bro. These streams are free every single day. Obviously, like I just said, the rest of the week we're not going to have them, but normally every single week, every single day, we have streams as well. If you do want to like speed up your learning, I do have a coaching group and a course as well, all included in the same package. You can access it there, but obviously that's completely optional. The streams as well are just a very, very valuable resource. If you just turn up every single day and ask questions, you're going to learn super, super fast. Good KB, how's it going, man? Bad Dog as well, good morning. Yeah, listen, drop a like on the stream as well if you haven't already. Yeah, leave a like. It really does help out, so yeah, massively appreciate it. Wow, man, that's the nice thing about trading. You can just decide you can travel tomorrow and you have the freedom to do it. That's my dream also. Yeah, bro, honestly, that's the best thing about trading, to be honest. Like, by a long, long way. Like, we booked the flights yesterday. Fly out on Thursday. It's just like, yeah, Yeah, it's fucking crazy, to be honest. Like, the freedom that you can achieve from trading is ridiculous. Thanks for the info. No worries, Joe. I'm all good, SG. How are you? I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm just trying to lock in here, to be honest. TRLS going global. It's yes, sir. Yeah, I'm super excited to be relocating there. I think it's gonna be fucking incredible. Alright, chat. The 15's rejecting here. You got 1 minute to the 15 close. As we said, we wanted like a bullish closure here, but you seem to be rejecting off this level. I'm waiting for the daily KB update. I can't lie, I've been waiting for them too. Whenever they come out, I'm watching them pretty much straight away. Honestly, you should do like a social media series. I'm currently diving into Baby Pips to learn Forex and also your new free playlist. Do you recommend that? Yeah, 100%, man. That's Baby Pips is good. The free course is good. It's very it's quite simple, but it will definitely teach you the basics, which is good. And then come to the stream and ask questions, and you can get taught the rest, I guess, for free. That's the good thing about this as well. Like, I don't really have a problem with anyone offering a course. The only problem I have is when people offer like a service and they don't offer free stuff as well. The entire reason that I stream for free is because like some people can't afford to learn. You know, some people can't afford to pay for a membership or a course or anything. So the fact that, you know, we have daily free streams on YouTube allows us to teach people that maybe can't afford that, and you know, maybe they would be great traders, but they just, you know, there's a gate to access, which is obviously most people charging a fee for a course. So if we can eliminate that, then great. Yeah, the 15 close respecting as well. Bottom wick first, but big close respecting. I'll make sure I'm here for all the streams. Yeah, good stuff, man. It's a great community too. Like, join the Discord. Yeah, join on the free Discord as well. Like, you know, you can ask anyone questions, they're gonna answer. Definitely a good thing. Yes, Queens was good, Jay. Omar was good. Push, baby, push. Yeah. Ask any questions in Discord. We're all here for each other. Exactly. Yeah, that's what I love about it. And there's no like selfishness either. There's no one like trying to, I don't know, promote their own shit, or I don't know. Everyone's just super helpful. It's such a good thing. Subscribe as well. Huge, bro. Appreciate it, man. Did I get an email? They didn't send me one. That's tough. Oh well. Alright, chat, look. So, we have exactly 13 minutes here to this hourly close. If you close bullish on the hourly, you open up with a bottom wick. Should be good to continue up towards, like we said, this level here at 27.55 at least. Realistically, you should push up towards the top of the range, actually, towards 27.57. So play is crazy, yeah. So yeah, 12 minutes. Hopefully we don't feel the range by then. Stops are a little bit large, but we will wait for a bottom wick entry. You can get a bottom wick tapping into like, realistically, 27.50 will be in off the rip. That'll give you a very, very tight stop, so it should be really nice. You'll have like, wait, no, like 40 pip stops. Yeah, decent. But I have a feeling, chat, that we are just gonna rip up, to be honest. It's not all we want, but it's very possible. Yeah, the wick entries lately have been killing it, because obviously you've got that advantage point of the flip. Even if the direction is wrong, you know, even if you get the direction wrong overall on the trade, you are, you know, you're likely to get that top wick being formed or bottom wick being formed, whatever it is. And that's, you know, a great advantage point. It's going to allow you to essentially profit from that trade regardless of whether or not the direction's right, like I said. As long as you have your advantage points right and you manage risk on the flip, or just before the flip, I would say, you're good to go, to be honest. I do expect this 4 hour to flip as well, to be honest. If you can come up in the last hour, which I think is normally when we would flip anyway, gold has really been liking to wait. It's probably going to even be the last like 10, 15 minutes where the 4 hour would flip. But even if you don't, you need a top wick anyway, and you most likely would retest on the next candle, even if you close without that top wick. Maybe I missed it, but you're going to do an NY stream? Yeah, Danny, in the group, yeah, 100% in the private group. I'll do a NY stream, but yeah, it'll be the last one of the week, unfortunately. Yeah, literally on Friday. So like, I'm gonna fly to Cyprus tomorrow around midday. On Friday, I have about fucking 8 apartment viewings. Saturday, I have about 4 apartment viewings. Gonna be busy, but bro, some of them are so nice. Need to secure it. To lock one in. I think as well that's so tough, and I've had this problem for the past like year and a bit. Whenever you try and do something like this, like an apartment or a car finance or whatever, not that I financed my car, but I was thinking about doing it. They asked for like an income source. My income source is fucking trading, so I don't really have a consistent income stream. And they literally, yeah. They don't like it, to be honest. They don't like it. That's the one bad thing about trading, is that you really can't like get bank loans or anything like that. I would say I do personal trading. Yeah, that's a good shout, to be fair. Good shout. It's just they like to see like bank statements with consistent income, and it's like 1 month it'll be nothing because I didn't withdraw. The next month it'll be like 10k. Did we find out where SG's going? You know where I'm going, Mr. Leonidas. Yeah, I think most people know now. I need to make a post about it though, because on Instagram people don't know, and on TikTok people don't as well. Might have to actually start telling people I trade now. I quit my job, lol. How does that feel, Tom, to quit your job, bro? It must feel great. But I know it must feel great. I know it does feel great. I did the same thing. Yeah, but it feels good. I'm in the candle business. Yeah, smart. Alright, chat. 8 minutes. Walked out mid-shift? No way. You've even beat me, bro. I just like ended it on one day and had a and then wasn't in the next day, and that was it. Like, they were very nice. They just didn't they were just like, you know what, you don't even have to work. Where's my Solana then? I need to do the draw for that giveaway. But yeah, walking out mid-shift is crazy. The original Axel's here. What's good, Axel? Welcome back, man. How you doing? Welcome back, chat. This is pushing. This could be really nice actually. If we close like this on the 1 hour, this could be great. As long as you make a bottom wick. Let me open my broker really quickly. Chat, drop a like as well if you haven't already whilst I'm opening my brokerage. Let's see if we can get to like 40 likes already. All right, nice. Good, Dylan. How's it going, man? 2 Dylans now. Imagine Tom walking out mid-shift, finger in the air. Yeah. Trust me. Only thing we don't want right now, chat, is the push straight through here. I was here on your 8th stream in the beginning. Yeah, that's OG, bro. Good shit. That's OG. Can we pull back, chat? I really... this is going to be difficult if we don't pull back. Yesterday we were looking for a closure on the 30-minute in the NY stream, and it was looking perfect until about 2 seconds before the closure, and then a second before the closure, it literally just started to push up randomly like 30 pips and close no top wick. It's just the most cooked thing. So gold's been very tough recently at the minute, to be honest, to trade. I don't remember where it was, but told my supervisor I'm no longer happy working here. Shook her hand and clocked out. Nice. Yeah, that's a W. Pushing, chat. Pushing. So the problem is now you've got like a little bit less room towards the advantage point. You've still got enough room towards TP for me to take something, but then stops are very large here if you have a flip. So you need to pull back and get a wick entry. Yeah, gold price action at the minute has been rather frustrating, but again, we are just gonna stay patient here, stay focused. You can't let yourself get irritated by the fact that gold isn't printing setups or anything, or the market's not printing setups. If you do that, it's going to result in the main things that we're trying to avoid, right? FOMO, unnecessary entries, breaking your plan, all of that sort of thing, over trading. If you allow gold to frustrate you and allow it to, get into your mind and think, why is it not printing setups? Oh, the market should be printing. People are taking trades, but I don't have anything here. That's when realistically you're going to get in trouble and start to break your habits. Broke previous weekly high body and created some support there. Could it wick up to all-time high if current highs are broken? Yeah, I think so. If we close above 27.57, you're going to go all the way up towards like 27.70 first, but then all-time highs eventually. Realistically. Like a period is crazy. Trading gold is like having a girlfriend. Just got to show no emotions to deal with it. Yeah, that's true. Good to just focus on one pair, like gold. Yeah. So definitely, because you get to know the pair, you get to, you get used to it, you figure out how it moves and everything, which is massively important. So definitely when you're starting off, and even like when you're profitable. So for example, obviously I'm profitable and I only trade gold because I like to be familiar with the pair that I'm trading. I like to know it inside and out. So yeah, I think it's very important, to be honest. Inside out. They don't watch Euro traders. Nah. I'll get used to gold then. Yeah, gold's a good pair. It's very technical, very it respects levels very, very nicely, which is why I trade it. I think when you're trading support and resistance as well, you need a technical pair like gold that's literally going to tap into your levels and respect. You see how it did here. It's just very, very technical, follows your levels, follows orders and everything like that, which is absolutely ideal for our strategy. Okay, chat, 3 minutes to the hourly close. We can pull back here towards the close. That'd be absolutely great. It's concerning me that the 5 minute has no top wick though. Most likely we're going to see that flip and drive towards the end. I've seen this so many times recently where this 5 minute now will just flip in the last couple of minutes, and the 1 hour is most likely going to close no top wick. In fact, I'm going to put a prediction out there. The 1 hour will close no top wick here. That's my prediction right now. So let's see. If it doesn't, chat, we'll stay locked in and wait for that bottom wick. Don't get me wrong, but need it to close with a top wick. It has to. Otherwise, chat, so cooked. As long as this shit doesn't flip. Yeah, chat. is no bueno. Extra chance of a pullback for a continuation entry. I don't need a pullback. I need I can't take a buy with the no top wick candle, Omar. It's against my strategy. Only focus. What's good, man? Entry was the previous 30-minute close. Yeah, perhaps. I don't think so. Oh, maybe. I didn't like the 1 hour previously, right? Ah, 1 minute here. Can we pull back? Had that 30-minute close W, bro. Those 20 pips, nice. Pull back, gold. Come on. Needed to open with the bottom wick too as well. That's the most important thing here. You have 39 seconds, chat. Lock it in here. Look, there's a lot of potential right now. If we can make a bottom wick here, chat, we're going to be good for some buys. I would like to see us tap into 2750. I think it's a bit of a strong ask though, so that might not happen. But if we do get a decent bottom wick and then a flip, we can take the buys to continue up towards the top of the range anyway. Current candle stops. I would much rather we had the opposite at the wick entry. Oh, chat. Gold's really playing with us today, eh? Really playing with us. How many hours do you think I should focus on baby pips today? To be honest, I never have even gone onto the baby pips website in my life, so it depends, bro. Learn the basics from it, but you can also learn the basics from coming to stream or just like watching YouTube videos, so completely up to you. I'd say use it just for the basics. But it has very good structure. Yeah, it does, bro. But it's just so tough for us to get an entry with no bottom wick on the hourly. Ah, this is tough. This is tough. My kids will learn to read on baby pips. Insane. Yeah, I need a retracement here, to be honest, before I can take anything. Price action at the minute is so difficult. It's not even difficult, sorry. It's just not printing entries. Like, simple as that. It's literally just not printing anything. But look, chat, it is what it is. We'll wait for a pullback here. Realistically, if you can come down and tap into 52 or 51-ish, realistically 51 is probably a likelihood here, 51.1. If you can tap into there, then great. Yeah, so chat, we are just trending upwards, right? 30 minutes got good structure to the upside. I do believe the 1 hour needs to come and grab liquidity though. Like, I'm very certain of that. As well as that though, even if you don't, right, the 4 hours should realistically come up and flip, to be honest. And then once you do close above here, above 27.57, chat, like the structure is so clean. It's literally just clean traffic all the way through here. So yeah, even if it's like in the next 20 minutes or the next hour or the next 2 hours, right, I'm going to be on stream for the whole time. So we're most likely going to get a position here on stream today, especially if we can close above here. And if we can, then runners will go all the way to 770. But look, just stay locked in with us. Ask any questions you have now whilst we have an opportunity to wait. And yeah, make sure you lock in. Chat, what's crypto doing as well? I saw Solana was ripping up yesterday. Yeah, a little bit. Nothing crazy. Ethereum's just bullshit, to be honest. Oh, that was a mad voice crack, to be honest, chat. Can't lie. You've got me. What's good, Sammy? How's it going, man? Give me a feeling downstairs. Crazy. Bitcoin. Bro, Bitcoin's actually... It closed above? No, it closed respecting. I woke up at 6:30 and said no trades this 4 hour. I think the 4 hour, yeah, I don't know. I think the 4 hour is not too bad, but a nice entry on that one would have been great. It's just not trying to give us anything today, or so far. Potentially this 1 hour flip would have been okay. I don't know how it opened though. I wasn't on the charts, but yeah. Crypto didn't slip hard, which is a good sign so far. That is true. That is true. Yeah, I was thinking about rebuying in at some Solana at like 2:30, but I just thought, fuck it, I'll just leave it. I'm gonna need some cash very shortly anyway, so may as well use it. I want to get a dog and teach all its commands in Latin. Crazy. Kind of cool though. I need Solana to hit 300. Bro, it came very close. Chat, look at his volume. Big volume here right now. Chat, I'm going to be moving brokers as well shortly, to be honest. I think I've been having a lot of issues with like spread and slippage. So I'm going to move to a different broker. I've got one that I'm speaking to right now. Just trying to figure out their commissions, conditions and everything. Might open a little test account and see how it goes. Because realistically, I'm paying commissions and spread right now, which is not ideal. Bit of a waste of money. SG, every time I try and lock in on trading and try my best, I get bad results, but when I don't expect it, I get the best trades. Most likely that's because when you think you're locking in, you know, if you're trying to lock in constantly and that's when you get bad results and bad trades, when you think you're locking in, you're most likely just trying to force it and being too focused on the results of your trading rather than, you know, actually just being in flow state and going through the motions. You know, you just said here, when I don't try, I get the best results. It's just because, again, like I said, you're going with the flow, and at that point, you're not too worried about the end result. You're not stressing yourself. You're not emotional. And that's how it needs to be with trading. You can't force it. You can't try too hard. That's why I always say, like, trading is the only thing that you can actually work too hard on. You know, you can actually be too locked in, be too focused on. You can want it too much, because the more that you're focused on the result, the less likely you are to actually achieve that result. So what that means is, realistically, when you're trading, you need to make sure that you're just going through the process. You know, you understand what you need to do, lock it in terms of like the actual skill and everything. But you can't lock in terms of like, I'm going to lock in and make this amount this month or whatever. It just doesn't work. Price action like this is difficult. Yeah, it is, bro. It's difficult for our strategy. There's nothing we can really take here. No top wicks, no bottom wicks. It's very, very tough, to be honest. Like, because we know what's gonna happen as well. Like, this is what I keep running into. A lot of people are telling me, you know, a lot of people tell me, yeah, but you know it's gonna go up, and price action is actually very easy today. And maybe it is for their strategy, but for my strategy, there's been no entries today or yesterday, which means at the end of the day, even though I'm pretty certain that we're gonna go and retest all-time highs here and push up towards the top of the range, I can't take anything. And that's why price action is difficult. Not because we can't understand it, but because it's not printing entries. And remember, there's a difference between knowing where price is going to go, or, you know, thinking you know where price is going to go, and actually having entries printed. Because if I was, as a trader, if I was to say, yeah, I think price is going to tap the top of the range here, so, you know, let me just take a buy according to that, you know, my win rate is going to be way lower, my risk to reward is going to be way lower, my profit is going to be way lower. Whereas I have to actually wait for my specific entry criteria to form, and until it forms, you know, I can't take anything, even if I'm 100% certain that we were going to come and tap into this range right now. Because we formed no wick on this candle, and my strategy requires a wick on this candle, guess what? I can't take anything. Simple. It's literally just based on whether or not your entry prints. And even if you're certain on where price is going to go, as long as you don't have your entry, you have to stay out the market. And that's one differentiation that I don't think many traders make, and I don't think many traders understand is, you know, you can know where price is going to go, but yeah, you have to respect your own rules. You have to understand that, you know, the most profitable thing is actually just to wait for your entry, even if you think you know where price is going to go. Because when you say, oh, price should realistically tap into here, regardless of whether it does this, that means that you're disrespecting your rules, and your strategy is the thing that you've got data collected on, right? At the end of the day, your strategy is what the data is based off of. So if you've got an 80% win rate, and you've got a, you know, a set risk to reward 1-to-1, 2-to-1, or whatever, and you know that that works over time, that's because your specific entry criteria is what you back tested on, right? I guarantee you didn't back test that strategy on, yeah, but I think price might move here. So if you're then getting onto the live markets and trading in the morning and saying, yeah, but I think price is going to tap into 2770, and you take a position off that, now you're going against what your backtesting data says, and now you don't have a clue how profitable that strategy is. Now you're just trading off intuition only, which is never a good thing. So again, stick to what you've got the data behind. That's going to allow your decisions to actually have validity and logic behind them, rather than just, you know, intuition or emotions or anything like that. 600 calories burned. What did you do to burn 600 calories? Isn't it like the middle of the night for you? I don't want to know what you're doing burning 600 calories in the middle of the night. The Apple Watch is going crazy, eh? I work overnight? Ah, okay, makes sense. Didn't put in that work. I was going to say, put a shift in. Okay, great. Ain't easy walking in jeans. It's true. What pairs do you trade? Only gold. I literally only trade gold, to be honest. I think it's beneficial to just trade one pair. You know, trading's like women, right? If you have multiple, you're not going to be able to focus on, you know, each one as well as you should do. That's going to lead to them having, you know, you're going to get issues, you're going to get back chat, you're going to have arguments. So just lock it down, zone into one woman or one pair on the charts. You're going to understand them, you know, proficiently. Every single time you get to the charts, for example, if I was just out at the gym or something, someone asked me what gold looked like in terms of market structure, there's a high likelihood that if you got me a whiteboard, I would be able to draw out the daily time frame on gold, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, because I know it well and I understand it. And, you know, we understand each other, right? So yeah, that's the way I like to think about it. Stick to one pair, know it very well, and yeah, don't have too many in your rotation. One woman and you still are gonna lose. Whoa. Oh, good mindset that. Two guys is too close to one and one is too close to none. Crazy. If I like as many as I can have. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Girlfriend drawdown. Someone will manipulate you. Yeah, 100%, bro. Need to stay away from those manipulative pairs. What did we say though about the 4 hour coming up towards the flip? Kind of knew it, right? Yeah, realistically as well, if this 4 hour does close bullish, you're going to pop straight up towards the top of the range as well. So it's going to be a little bit difficult as well because we need a bottom wick, but are you going to get one? I don't know. We'll see. But chat, look, there's so much opportunity here. Like we said, the traffic towards 2770 is so clean. You have a 15-minute close here in about 40 seconds. Obviously, we are at the top of the range, so not much I can do right now in terms of buys. It does feel very overextended, but if we can get like a 15 or 30-minute closure, should be good. Flip the BS we say while waiting for a setup, you'll get more social media traction. That shit is always insane. I know, bro. Yeah, it actually is. It actually is. Don't worry, I've been clipping them. Do a relationship advice call show. Yo, a trader's call-in show would be crazy. Maybe we should do that. That is a fucking sick idea though. Traders hotline or some shit. Yeah, that could be sick. Going in the book of ideas. TRLS goes dating. Bro, I can't lie. If we had, as a community, had a dating show, it would most likely look like the Undateables, right? It would just be, so poor. I know for a fact. I'm not being funny, chat. I don't know if you guys are the smoothest geezers. Gonna have like people talking about pips on fucking first dates and everything. Gonna have Tom talking about cactuses. KB's gonna be talking about his fast. Tend to get in my own way. It's classic. What are you trying to say? No, nothing, KB, nothing. You're gonna have you. Oh, bro, you know what'd be hilarious? Let's just stick a camera on Eugene and send him on a first date. See how he gets on. Halfway through, you're gonna hear. So the thing about OTEs is, and FVGs as well. Girl's gonna be like, what the fuck? You take your trades in the live stream as well? Yeah, I do, bro. I do. It's just like, obviously nothing's printing right now. But yeah, if we get a setup here, I will take it live. Yeah, 100%. That shit is social media gold. Bro. FBG is here. Simple chat blind. Want to see my bullish candle? It's engulfing right now. Mad. What about if you close doji though? No good. Basically, someone could copy your trade from here after analyzing. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. We also have the signals group, right? But obviously, yeah, if you are live on stream for free, then yeah, you can copy it, of course. Morning, SG. How are you, mate? What's good, Dan? I'm very good. Very, very good. Waiting for a setup here. The 15-minute closed and open with no bottom wick again, which is crazy. Closing doji means she's a 6. Hey, 6s need attention too, man. Someone's got to do it, right? It's gonna be Eugene. Is still valid? Crazy. And that 6 upside down, you got a 9? Exactly. Exactly. Solid 6 that can cook and clean is better than 10 who doesn't do anything. Yeah, I think realistically, like an 8 or a 9 that can cook and clean and everything is perfect. We introduced a lifetime access because all I'm seeing is 1 month and 3 months. I could do lifetime access, bro. It's going to be expensive though. But yeah, I could do, to be honest. How much would it be? How much would it be fair to do? I don't even know. Everybody wants to date a 10. It's actually true, bro. They've always got terrible personalities. It's actually extremely true. Shit, this just turned into the fucking dating hotline right now, or what? Ben Affleck is a perfect example. You picked a bloke. Say he was a 10 or what? Oh, he left J-Lo, okay. For a minute there, Gene, I kind of thought you were... insinuating that Ben Affleck was a perfect 10. I was like, okay. I mean, listen, at TRLS we don't judge, right? Everyone's welcome here, but didn't expect it from you, Mr. Gene. Only swing that way Monday to Sunday? Wow. Any day that ends in a Y, right? This is we've gone downhill very, very fast. Very fast. You play chess at all? I actually do. I love a bit of chess. I used to play chess at school as well, which is something I'm not massively into sharing. But yeah, I played a lot of chess, to be honest. I think it's very good for your mindset, very good for your brain as well. Thing is as well, I found recently that I'm a little bit more impatient when it comes to chess than I used to be, which is something I need to work on. I think that's due to social medias. Since I will start with like $100 after getting my basics done, is it advisable to jump to gold or I need to add more money? Yeah, start with a small amount of money, bro. Realistically, that's the best move. Start with a small amount of money and then you can essentially you know, learn the skill with that capital and then, you know, continue to deposit over time. I always recommend, you know, and it says the same in my course and everything. Start with a small account, learn the skill on that small account, and then obviously you could trade the exact same with $100 as you would with 100K, right? There's no point trading differently just because your capital is different. You know, the skill is the exact same regardless of how big the account is. So if you get that mindset in check, you know, you can learn with a small account, and then once you want to actually scale up, you can start to deposit from your job or from wherever. And yeah, that's how you do it. Played a bit over 5K games of chess in the couple of years following COVID. A fuckload of games, wow. Now look at this, we're testing back into the level here, breaking the daily high yet again. It looks to me as if we want to continue up towards, you know, 2770, 2787. We need to see, yeah, we need to see a bottom wick on this candle. The only thing that is concerning me is that the 1 hour has no bottom wick, which is difficult. But with that being said, chat, if the 30 can close with a top wick here in 7 minutes, and then the next candle can come down, make a bottom wick and flip, then we can grab an entry. But if it doesn't, I can't really take a wick entry just because it could be the 1 hour top wick here still. I'm not saying it will be, but yeah. 30 Thank you so much, Trendlines, for the info as well as the community. Everyone here is supporting each other. Much love, everybody, from me, from Kenya, Nairobi, by the way. Hey, good stuff, man. I appreciate it, Joel. It means a lot. Hey, what's good, Geordie? How's it going, man? What's poppin'? Chat, look, 6 minutes here till the 30-minute close. If we close like this, high likelihood we'll get a setup here, to be honest. High likelihood. So, just lock it in for these next 6 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Obviously, gold is trending quite heavily right now. There's a lot of volume, which is great. But again, we need the setup to form. Otherwise, chat, we might be cooked here. But saying that, to be fair, 4-hour close as well is in about 35 minutes also. The 4-hour has now flipped, which is great. So, a lot of confluence is in our way, to be honest. A lot of confluences. If we can pull back and get an entry on, you know, the higher low being made, then realistically you can hold runners for a long while. So 5 minutes here, chat. If this 30 only made a bottom wick, chat, we would have been holding this shit right now. But it didn't. So alas, there's not much we can do. What's good, Stuskin? How's it going, man? I think I said hi to you already, but I can't remember, so I'm going to say it again. When gold has a 4-hour flip like this one, it drives. Yeah, I know, bro. It's going to be gone. It's a lovely 4-hour flip. And look at the traffic as well. It's completely clean. I just need a closure to get some stops, to be honest, because I can't take 4-hour stops. I'm not an absolute monster, right? Like, those stops would be stupidly big. "30-minute close, bottom wick will be in there, chat. Stops could be below current 30 or previous 30. It's still going to be relatively large. If we can tap back into the level, though, we'd have a wick entry maybe up there. That'd be a 4-hour reflip, though, which is a bit concerning. But, I mean, look, let's see. Let's see what we do, chat. Greetings from Morocco. What's good, Bilal? How's it going, man? Chat, look, we have 4 minutes here till this 30-minute close. Make sure you have dropped a like on the stream before it does close. Let's try and get to 50 likes before 30-minute closes here in 4 minutes. If we if we can do that, that'd be absolutely great. It really does help out, so don't forget to drop a like. And yeah, I'm sure we can grab some positions here in 4 minutes, so just stay focused. As long as we can pull back a little bit, close above the level, yeah, we'll be good. See what the 30 looks like. Let's see. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Buy looking strong. Yeah, they do look good, bro. It's just, bro, even the 30-minute has clean traffic all the way through. Literally all the way through. The only thing you have is like a wick. Clean traffic here, chat. The wick fill could be your advantage point. All right, man. Let's see. 3 minutes. Nice. 5-minute flipped here, so you might see a push up, chat. But realistically, the 30 would be a great closure if it closed exactly like this. Concern with that is obviously you're not going to stay still for 3 minutes. It's just not what gold does. And if you do that, it means there's no volume, which is no bueno. But you'd like to see a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, chat, fuck. Remember when SG got 100 pips of buy a long time ago? The airport trade, right? The airport trade. That was OG. What's good, George, man? How you doing? Mr. Eugene, what's good? That is pushing, man. Not ideal here, man. American Golden Age has started. You heard Uncle Donnie. Yeah, insane. Chat, 1 minute 50 here. Let's lock it in. If we can leave a wick on this 30-minute candle, it's gonna be great. Otherwise, chat, fuck, it's difficult. I think we're gonna just rip through here, chat. To be honest, no FOMO as well. You can't have FOMO here. We are just ripping straight through. Have to wait a minute, chat. Like, I can't FOMO into a position. As long as we leave a wick here and actually, you know, make a bottom wick on the opening, that's all I need to see. All right, under a minute here, 50 seconds. How are we going to pull back? Or are we going to pull back? That's the actual question. 1 minute's just moving with bottom wicks first, so the structure might be a bit cooked. We can tap back into 27.58. We'll have a wick entry potentially. Otherwise, chat, we might have to take a flip after a bottom wick. If it doesn't do either of those, stops are way too big for me, right? Like, I can't take stops for like 80 pips. It's just not nonsensical for me. I actually can't do it. So yeah, either the retest or we'll make a wick, but you need to close with the top wick here, chat. It looks like we're not going to do it. Trailing my stop loss like crazy. Egg stuff, Omar. That's huge. 10% is fucking crazy. What the hell? You still trade meme coins? Less. I still take a look, but I haven't really been trading them, to be honest. Yeah, can we push down here? If we can retest into this area, then we might be okay. Remember, we do have the 4-hour close as well in 29 minutes. I would wait for a retrace. Move too far now. What's the definition of move too far? Because yesterday we pushed straight up 400 pips, and today we've only pushed up 160. So if you follow that logic, we could push double as far. Also, there's literally nothing stopping us from tapping 2770 here. Like, there's no range. There's no nothing stopping us within this range. But yeah, a retest is what I want for stops wise, but I realistically think there's a high likelihood that you just rip all the way through. I'm here to have a feast. What's your feast, bro? Gotta send it into the gym chat as always. Chat, right, look, pushing. Oh, we flipped here. I can't take this, chat. Can't take it with the 30 closing the way it did. I just can't. It's so tough. I have to stay disciplined here, chat. I can't FOMO into an entry. Let's see what we do, chat, in the next like 5, 10, 15, and then obviously towards the 4 hour. Are you looking to sell in this trade? No, I'm looking for buys, bro. I need a retracement first. I want to see like a tap back into this level. Because look, chat, you've closed into this range now. You have nowhere to go other than towards 2770, right? The hope is that we retest 27.57 first. But yeah, no man, there's nothing else we can do. So realistically, chat, the move here is wait for some 5-minute structure, wait for a pullback. It didn't make enough of a wick for me, to be honest. Like, the wick for me was, what is it, like 8 pips? Yeah, chat, is nowhere near enough for me. So I need to see, you know, some more retracement to the downside. You need to realistically test back into this level, to be honest. You've heard of break and retest, right? That's all it is. Just a break and a retest is all we need. You can do that, then great. Otherwise, if it decides to drive right now, then yeah, it is what it is. Look, there's nothing we can realistically do. Trading's not about catching every move, right? It's about catching the right ones. Still trade with Apex. What do you think of them? I don't trade with Apex. They fucking pretty much scammed me, so I don't trade with them, to be honest. I don't think they're very good at all. They have no support as well, which is crazy. Like, if I was going to trade a prop, it would be a Forex prop, because with ACG, I can literally just go, yo, I have a problem, you know, help me out. With Apex, you can't even contact them. Like, it's so difficult to contact them. So no, I don't like them at all, to be honest. But yeah, chat, if you guys do want to get a prop firm account and you do want to save yourself some money, I use ACG, to be honest, or I recommend them. Code SG is going to get you 20% off your accounts as well. So yeah, that's going to make you, or save you a lot of money. ACG is realistically probably the best prop firm out there at the minute, or at least one of them. I trust it very well. I've never really seen anyone have any major problems with them. Yeah, 5-minute close bearish. See, look at that. Now you're re-breaking the lows. Not bad. I don't mind that at all. That's good. We need to see a continuation downwards. Did it close no bottom wick? No, I didn't. Alpha Capital ban the use of EAs. Yeah, that's fine. I don't mind that. What broker do you currently use? I'm actually in the process of changing brokers right now. So I won't say just yet, but I think I found a good one, to be honest. I'll tell you guys next week, probably, if I'll be changed over by then. SG, how you handle the 2-minute rule on ACG? I mean, sometimes your trades are less than 2 minutes. I don't trade really on ACG other than like test out stuff anymore. I have live capital that I use. But I know for a fact that it's just about your average position. So your average position needs to be over 2 minutes. I think we've had this debate before, right? I think you think it's not, and I think it is. So I don't know. If this 5-minute flips, realistically, you're probably going to continue up here. I just want to see some more liquidity being grabbed from the downside before we actually do make that move up. I think that's important. Did the previous 5 on... I bet on FXCM it has no bottom wick, right? Oh no, it does. Okay, so it's just on my broker it has no bottom wick, which is weird. But a lot of potential here, chat. Stay focused. Posted the actual 2-minute rule last night in Discord. Okay. Thought it was only for news. There's a 2-minute rule. It just means your average trade must be over 2 minutes. Either way though, like most of your trades are going to be over 2 minutes anyway. Oh, we're having this debate again. Blueberry Marcus is good SG. Nah, I would never go with Blueberry, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with this broker that I've been looking at. To be honest, I don't want to say it yet, just in case. Chat pushing down. 5-minute looks like it wants to flip though, which is interesting. So it's like a bit of a battle here. We do have a 15-minute close as well in about 8 minutes too. Should be interesting. Chat, look, there's so much potential here, man. We are literally forming now for the 4-hour close, which is great. The 4-hour can close like weak bullish. Even, nah, not doji, but yeah, weak bullish like this would be great for a continuation up. You've grabbed a lot of liquidity too, so I don't really think you need to grab that much. Like, you've grabbed so much liquidity on the 4-hour, look at it. I just need an entry to print, to be honest. Until I get that, it's very difficult. One hour close in 20 minutes might be worth waiting for, to be honest. We're looking area for stop loss, right? Yeah, it's just difficult because stops are huge now. That's the main thing. How's this 5 gonna close? Yeah, if we get like a 5 no bottom wick as well, I'll look at a wick entry. SG, I was thinking about getting an ACG account and join your VIP. Is that a good idea, or should I learn more trading? Well, bro, when you join the VIP, you get access to the course and to like daily calls, right, where you can learn as well. So it's going to speed up your learning at the same time as giving you signals. So realistically, it's like kind of a no-brainer, to be honest. Yeah, Jay, exactly. Chat, 5 minute does have a bottom wick. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're pushing down, which is great. Exactly what I'm looking for here. Especially if the 1 hour closes around here. You do have a 15-minute close in 4 minutes. I'll be running there good, but if you find a good one, I'm game to change over. Yeah, I'm looking at a few, bro. I'm looking at a few. I just want to ask if like I can offer like you guys stuff. So, like before I give a promo code, I need to talk to them before I like promote it. I want to see if I can offer you guys like deposit bonuses or reduced spreads or some shit like that, because I don't really want to promote it without giving you anything in return. Yeah, look at the way this 5's closing right now, or flipping, sorry. Might push up, but might push back up here, sorry. What we could do, chat, as well, is you could take the rebreak of the high, to be honest, and stops would only be like 30 pips, but again, the wick entry is going to be a lot nicer. Yeah, I'm with IC markets at the minute, bro. That's why I'm trying to move, though. The conditions have been terrible at the minute. SG equals man of the people. I appreciate it, Matt. I just had to wait 4 days for my withdrawal, which is not ideal, to be honest, especially when it was 4K. Sat there like, yo. I'm going to do another withdrawal today and see how long it takes. Anyone know where that big sell-off was from earlier? No clue. Manipulation. If the 5 minute forms a Skydweller play, chat, we could take a look at it too right now. I don't think that'd be that invalid as well. We'll see how that forms. Also, you could take two like super tight stops here, like 7 pip stops. What do you mean with Vantage on IC? I don't know what you mean, bro. What does max simulated drawdown mean? But like the max drawline you can have on the funded account, right? So it'll be 10% or something. So the maximum you can lose throughout like the account is 10% from the start value. So if it's a 100k account, maximum you can get to is 90k. I don't know if is it 8% or is it 10%? Either way. Actually, I mean, why don't you like IC markets? I've been getting slipped a lot recently. Spreads have been super high, even though I have a raw spread account. The deposit took ages. Lots of things. Chat, this is pushing back up. Again, not what we want. Not what we want, chat, to be honest. I wanted to see like a little bit of a pullback. My deposit on IC is in seconds. Not deposit, withdrawal. Like, deposit is instant, but withdrawal is it took me 4 days. Spreads is 0.7 to 1 pip. Yeah, at the minute it is. At the minute it is, but during periods of high volume it's been tough. And bro, the other day I got slipped by 5 pips, then by 6 pips, then by 8 pips on a break-even trade. Which is it's not good. I literally lost like $1,000 pretty much by getting slipped that much, which is fucking stupid. Yeah, my account was like 5 point something K in profit, and then on that 20k challenge account, and then it went down to like 3 point something just because of the spread. Now on Blueberry? No, I'm not on Blueberry. I won't trade on Blueberry, to be honest. What's that, chat? That little push up. $15 closed like weak bearish. 5 minute now. Closed bullish. Strangely bullish. It like had a weird gap as well. A big push down, chat. I think, to be honest, right now, chat, realistically, the move is going to be the 4 hour close. I was looking at that 5 flip. This 5 flip here is a Sky Dweller play, which it might be valid, but I think the safest play here is the 4 hour close in about 15 minutes, right? Really not a long time to wait, and for the confirmation it gives you, it's a no-brainer. Hey, Deny, what's good, man? Futures of solution? Yeah, maybe. Would you do a video about trading fundamentals? I could do. If that's something you guys want to see. I would really need to brush up though, because I haven't looked into it in a while. I know basics, obviously, like, no, more than basics. But some people can go so in depth with the fundamentals, like crazy in depth. Eugene, I'm pretty sure it is random. Where are you currently trading at? What do you mean? What? Broker or what? Dominion market. No, no, I'm still on IC, bro. I'm just looking. I'm changing like this week probably. Import and export of gold and delivery dates. You can also look at like reserves and shit. But then countries just find gold randomly, which is what kind of moves the market as well. What's good, Jar? How's it going, man? Have you guys seen that inverse Kramer fucking ETF? Isn't it up like a ridiculous amount? Yeah, so basically it takes what Jim Cramer says and does the opposite. It doesn't hold all his holdings. It's not to do with his holdings. I think it's to do with what he... Or is it to do with his holdings? I thought it was to do with like what he said on his program. That doesn't show me. For the buyers, good shit, Jar. Good shit, man. We're waiting for this like nice little hourly close. Heard Egypt found some gold. Hey, W, bro. Go get it, Omar. Go collect that shit. This forecast not his holdings? Yeah, I think so. Fucking Jim Cramer did say Bitcoin was a buy though, like 2 weeks ago, which is one of the reasons I sold. 2773. Yeah, exactly. I'm looking at 2770 here, but realistically, by the end of the day, I think we'll be at 2787. I think we'll try either at the end of the day or the end of the week. We'll retest all-time highs most likely. With this huge liquidity grab on the 4 hour, how much of a bottom wick would you need? Would you still see 58 area being tapped? Right, I would like it, yeah, but the thing is, right, stops are just ginormous. Like, regardless of where you look at stops, if you look at the 30-minute, they're still huge. You look at 15-minute, they're still massive. Hourly is obviously the same. 4 hours still the same. 4 hours even bigger, obviously. So it's just a question of where you can get stops from. 5-minute, there's nothing, right? There's no structure until like here. So obviously that's very large as well. Very, very difficult to pick stops right now. Reduce the lot size? No, I don't do that shit. I don't reduce the lot size and take bigger stops. There's no point, right? There's no point because I'm risking a stupid amount or I'm risking, I guess if you reduce the lot size, you'd be risking less, right? But then your profit would also be less. All right, Marcel, in a bit, bro. Like, realistically, the thing that's made me the most profitable over the past year is reducing my stops to below 40 pips. The moment I started doing that was the moment that I actually became like 10 times more profitable. Point is trading the same percentage risk on the higher time frame structure. I have criteria though. Yeah, exactly. Jard's right. Like, I have a criteria for my trades. That one of those criteria being, like, you know, below a 50 pip stop loss. And I'm going to stick to it. I'm not going to change it just so that I can force a trade. Like, I've made enough already this month to... Yeah, we're up like 4K already in the first couple of weeks of this year. So I'm not too bothered about it. That's just on one account. Like, I don't need to force trades. I use a lot size calculator, so my risk is always 1%. Yeah, fair enough, bro. I use fixed lots, so it's different. But chat, look, we're coming down to testing to the level now, which is interesting. Big spike in volume pushing us down here, which is good. Hopefully we can make a low here, and we can use that as our structure. Chat, let's drop a like on the stream, though, if you haven't already. Simple, what's good? I saw you say hi there. Forgot to say hi back. A nice closure here would be great. Hourly needs to close above 27.58 though for me. If it doesn't close above here, it might be a bit difficult. But to be fair, saying that, that's only the 4 hour flip, right? So as long as the 4 hours bullish, you should be good. You can get a wick entry as well. Hold that shit forever. Gandhi, what's good? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Chat, let's see how this 4 hour closes right now. A lot of potential coming into this 4 hour close here. You got 9 minutes or 8 minutes now. Even better. 30-minute did make a wick. So if we took the break of that high, like I said, you know, you could do. Wait, what did I say? No, I said I needed a bigger wick, right? But if you took it anyway, you'd be in obviously massive drawdown right now. So that's the exact reason, chat, why we wait for the big liquidity grab, because you could have FOMO'd into that trade right there and you would have got absolutely wrecked. That's why I tell people, like, calm down, don't FOMO, just wait. FOMO will kill your trading, like, undoubtedly. Possibly the worst, like, part of trading, to be honest. Or the worst, like, bad habit. If you put all the trading bad habits together, FOMO, I would say, is the worst one out of the entire lot. Because again, like, look, if we had a criteria, right? We needed a big bottom wick on this 30-minute candle. We didn't get it, and then it broke the highs. If you took the break of the highs right there, you FOMO'd into the trade. You're now down like what, 40 pips already. So, yeah, it's just ridiculous. There's no point in FOMOing into trades. Wait for your setup. It's not as if there's like a limited amount of setups. You know, we get like 2 or 3 A+ setups every single day. And then, you know, 5 trading days a week. Like 15 setups a week. You're only going to take 5 trades realistically a week. So there's no rush. There's nothing bad about waiting a little bit longer for your setup. If you miss the move, then you miss it. Who cares? You know, there's nothing wrong with quote unquote missing the move. When in realistically, if you miss it, it wasn't your move in the first place. Are you looking for a wick entry, SG? Yeah. I'm going to try and get one. If not, we'll take the flip, right, for good stops. But I don't, to be honest, chat, I don't think we're going to even make a big wick here. Look at the 4 hour. You grabbed so much liquidity already. I don't think we need a crazy wick. I'll be taking like 5 trades a month. Exactly. Exactly, bro. What's good, Tremlin? How's it going, bro? I'm like 4% in my account for the year. With this gold push, I'm minus 0.8%. Any tips? My tips are I'd be happy with the 3.2% that you're now up, bro. Unless you're minus 8% in total. But from what you said, that means you're still 3.2% in profit. So be grateful for that. Be happy. Again, chat, gratitude in trading is huge. Like I actually experienced this the other day. So, you know, we made 5K this month. I took a loss for like 1K. And instantly my brain was like, oh, I wish I didn't take that. I was 5K in profit. But then I sat down and reflected on it and thought to myself, yeah, but wait, even with that loss, I'm still 4K in profit. That's like a ridiculous amount for 2 weeks of trading. And then, you know, you can sort of reframe it in your mind and think to yourself, yo, like, what the fuck am I thinking about? Just literally be grateful for the profits you have, and you're going to, you know, the market is going to reward you with more. It's like anything in life. If you have gratitude, you know, you're going to be a lot more happy with what you've got. You're not going to try and force things, and that's essentially going to put you in the right mind frame, and the right actions are going to take place, and you're going to be way more profitable just through gratitude. I think that's massively overlooked by traders. They want to squeeze out as much profit as possible, whereas in reality, they should just be grateful for what they've made. You know, 3% a month is fucking crazy still. 3% a week, whatever it is, you made a lot of money. It's a W. 71 will be target. Yeah, I think so too, to be honest. Above 58.7 is exactly what I'm looking for too, but we have 5 minutes here to the close. All I really wanted was to tap into 57. If you now do that, do I have a clip? No. Yeah, I figured out the clipping, to be honest. I can do them myself now, which is good. Less trades is better for psychology. I don't care if I miss a move. Chat, look at the stream record, right? The stream record in the top of your screens right here literally says wins 64, break-evens 20, losses 10. So what's that? That's 74 trades. No, 94 trades, sorry, in the last like 12 months on stream. But look at the win rate when you think about that. You know? Like, if you look up here, 94 trades in the past 12 months, it's literally nothing. You know, we're taking on average like 2 trades a week on stream. And that means, you know, that we're missing the move, quote unquote, very often. But look at the win rate at the same time. You don't want to be taking more trades just for the sake of taking more trades. You know, we have a high win rate for the exact reason of, you know, we sit there and we chill. And we don't worry about missing the move. And we wait for the A+ setups. And yeah, most people won't do that, which is why you will likely beat them as a trader if you can do that, right? If you have the patience, you'll beat every other single trader because they won't do that. But yeah, look, chat. 2 minutes here to this closure. 5 minute rejecting off this level here. Tapped into 27.58, which is what we were looking for. Retested the level quite nicely. Now starting to reject. You won't be trading for the rest of the week? No, I will be trading for the rest of the week in signals, but I won't be streaming. Thursday I'll be trading because I'll be at the airport, so it'll probably be like an airport trade situation. And then, yeah, Friday I'll be busy, but I'll still look at the markets. And then obviously Saturday, Sunday, everything. I'm going to be back by Monday, chat, so we'll be back to regularly scheduled programming very shortly as well. Yeah, chat, this is the rejection off that level here. I have a strong feeling, chat, that we're going to push straight up. New York session today. Yeah, New York session in the Discord group. Yeah. Chat, the private streams in the Discord as well have been going crazy. Like, same people turning up every time, and I know for a fact that those are the people that are going to become profitable. Just because they're turning up every day in, day out, asking questions, even just watching the analysis, watching chart move. Like, it gives me a lot of confidence. Chat, 1 minute here. Look at the liquidity grab, man. We get a small bottom wick tapping into like 57 and then a flip will be in there. If it pops up straight away, chat, it's going to be difficult. But I don't need a massive bottom wick, to be fair, chat. Only concern is stops, right? At the minute, the previous 1 hour is 55 pips, which is not too bad. And we can essentially, try and manage risk off of that as well. Like, off of closures, most likely. We probably won't let it hit full stops, even if it was going to. He grabs so much liquidity, like there's a high likelihood that it's going to pop straight up. But again, I'm not taking buys off the rip because stops for that is way too large. Let's see here, chat. Lock it in. You got 10 seconds here to the closure. Okay, so you closed above, which is good. Chat, I'm gonna take a buy right here off that initial opening here. We made a small bottom wick, which is I think all we need, to be honest. Stops are going to be below this previous candle here. I think you see a wick fill here, most likely. I got a bit of a poor entry. That's okay. Why is my stop loss like that? How do I... how do I change the stop loss? Yeah, let's do this. Alright, chat. Yeah, so got in buys here. Stops are going to be down here. TP is going to be 27.70, to be honest. I want to see a big, strong push up. Why is this so fucking high up? What is this? What happened to my stop loss thing? Or my take profit thing? Very interesting. 4 hours so clean, chat. You grabbed so much liquidity as well. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Stops are going to be below the previous hourly, right? It's a total of 57 pips. I'm going to probably manage before we get there anyway. Like, if we see closures not going well on the 5 minute or the 15, I'll be managing before that anyway. So let's see, chat. Lock it in here. If we make a bottom wick, it's not too bad. It is what it is. Realistically, everything closed above, so you should fill up, to be honest. You take it off the rip. I took it off the small bottom wick that it made. Yeah. Like, it made a small bottom wick and then flipped, so I took it off that. But I got a bit of a slipped entry, to be honest, by like 4 pips. I want to see one more rebreak of the highs here. What did that 1 minute do? Oh shit, wait, chat. 1 minute no top wick is not nice. Yeah, I'm going to close half my position here at 12 pips. And the rest is now stop loss to break even. Expecting this to fill the range, to be honest, chat. So that's a W right there. Closed partials at 12 pips, I believe. And like I said, the rest will just run. So W's in the chat. Let's see if we can survive this as well. Hopefully we get some nice strong closures here and just a pop straight up. If we can, that'd be great. I mean, look, the 4 hour, sorry, is very, very strong. Absolutely clean position, chat. I want to see how the closures work. I'm most likely going to manage this off closures, right? I think you're going to retest the high as a minimum. What did we see there? We saw like 20. Yeah, chat, I got a bit of a slipped entry, to be honest. We saw like 20 pips max just there. Good volume, though, which is great. All right, can we re-break the highs and push up? Yeah, I'm going to be closing another half my position here at 20 pips. And now the rest is just a pure runner. Just a pure runner all the way up till TP is going to be 27.70, right? So I'm actually just going to put that in manually. 27.7. Oh no, let's do 27.69.69. Fuck it. So right here, chat, absolutely clean position. W's. Now we just need a push up, a re-break of this wick fill. We should be good. See what we can do, chat. Let's see, let's see. Very, very clean position though. Congratulations if you took it. I want to watch how this 5 closes here in about 40 seconds. If it's no top wick, I'll be closing full. But let's see, let's see. Chat, remember, like the stream as well if you haven't already. We do this every single day. We're taking absolutely banger positions recently. We've been killing it. Q4, Q1. The whole thing's been insane. Every single day we stream for free live on youtube.com/@trendlines. And yeah, listen, you know, we're going to be here all year. This year is going to be an insane year. 2025 is going to be a fucking sick one, I'm certain. I want to see, wait, chat. Hang on. Lock in. Chat, I'm going to close full here at exactly 27 pips, chat. W's. 5-minute close, no top wick. Not the biggest fan of it. So yeah, close full there. 27 pips on that one. Clean position. Congratulations if you took it. Chat, spam some dubs for me in the chat, man. Spam some dubs. I want to get a nice little clip for Instagram here. Spam some W's. All right, guys, fucking appreciate it very, very much. Look at that. Look at that for a close, man. Look at that for a close. What a W. Listen, great trades. Congratulations, all of you, each and every single one of you. Chat, that is what patience does. That is what patience warrants. Patience gives you the opportunity to literally wait for your perfect setups and only take them. And that's exactly what we did, right? Everyone was saying to me, look, why didn't you take the first position? Why didn't you take this? Why didn't you take that? My setup didn't form, right? Then my setup did form. We took it. We took a W. What else can you want, man? Literally, that is a textbook example of how to trade as a disciplined trader. Like, you cannot expect anything else. That was absolutely clean. And yeah, man, look, chat, congrats. I'm going to be calling it here. We'll play Xauusd. I'll be in New York session in the Discord. And yeah, SG, I mentioned taking the 4-hour off rip due to the previous 4-hour large wick. I'm learning. Appreciate your help, G. Yeah, Ben, exactly, bro. Good stuff. Absolute W's. The reason I wanted a small wick as well is because I didn't want to be worried about it flipping the whole time, which is why I waited for that little minuscule wick. Then we did get a bit of a worse entry, but as you can see, right, it doesn't make that much of a difference. Chat, yeah, like the stream if you're going to leave, by the way. If you're going to do a little pip and dip, don't worry about it, but just make sure you drop a like on your way out. It's completely free. Subscribe to the channel as well. And yeah, chat, if you do want to join the New York streams, we trade every day in New York, and signals, and a course, and daily coaching calls. You can join the private trading group right there at wap.com/trendlines completely for free. And yeah, chat, look, let's get into the Xauusd. Call it a session, man. Go hit the gym, go get breakfast. I haven't eaten yet, so I might go get some nice breakfast. And that's it. Dimples. Dance a little bit too, if you want. You gonna load? Oh wait, I went on single player. I don't want to play single player. Yeah. Am I lagging or what? Alright, Trevor in a bit, man. Nathaniel in a bit too. Here's the link. Jump in the GeoGuessr. Oh, chat, that was such a clean trade, man. That was super nice, I can't lie. Take that any day of the week. W session, see you in the new one. Alright, Leonidas, in a bit, man. Alright, chat, I'm gonna start the game here in like 10 seconds. Make sure you're in. Gonna run or what? Oh, chat, it might run. That's interesting. No FOMO, of course. I'm happy with the position. Oh, wait, I didn't add it to the stream record. Wait. Stream record. Chat, why did no one remind me? Whenever it's a loss, everyone's like, trades taken, but whenever it's a buy. Alright, there we go, W's. Let's go. Man's is starving. Alright, yeah, Nathaniel, in a bit, bro. W stream, thank you, only focus, appreciate it, bro. Where the fuck is this, though? Yo, what? Yeah, we just changed the weather. Orange signs, isn't that like, Belgium or some shit? Yeah. What country uses that shit? Gotta be like somewhere like this, I think. Love to see you win. Can't play with you all. See you next week, SG. See you in a bit, Noodle Holtz. Sweden. Yeah, I appreciate that, Noodle Holtz, man. Love to see you win. That's what I'm saying, chat. That's why this community is the best, because everyone wants to see each other win. Chicken beer plate. No way, bro. Not chicken beer plate. Chicken beer plate. That sounds like a fucking crazy place. I'm pulling up there. Underneath Luna Bar. Yeah, where actually is this, though? Tokyo? Korea? I don't know, man. Take me to chicken beer plate any day. Yeah, where is it? I was Korea. Squid Games. Whoa. Didn't insert it. Alright. Yo, who's Gleeful Vale? Cactuses? Yo, I know Tom's loving this right now. There you are. Cacti, I believe the technical term is. Got no clue where we are though, but cactus is kind of Mexican, right? So I'm gonna stick us in there. Pricky pear? I don't know what that is, mate, but you're telling me it's not a cactus. It definitely looked like a cactus, to be honest. I'm gleeful. No way, you're smoking us all. Tortilla Tulisa. Oh, they're making a new road. Yo, these places always seem like a vibe, to be honest. People just sat there smoking, chilling. These lot trading in the market. Nice little beetle. That shit's so elite. Gotta be like somewhere here. They had to import these special moths to eat them here. What? It's insane. Guatemala. Good Rainmaker, how you doing, man? Oh, where is this? Camp de football. That seems to me like this country. Looks a bit too nice for that country though, I don't know, but I'm gonna stick it somewhere here. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. All right, it was Spain. That makes a lot more sense. Barcelona. All right. Chat. Yeah, you Gleeful, yeah. Fucking Only Focus, you absolutely smoked us. Grizz and Adman, congrats. All right, chat, look. That's going to be it for me. We actually got a very clean closure here. Like, that's a perfect close for me. You know, we actually closed right at the peak, to be honest. I wouldn't want to be sat here right now. So, chat, with that being said, listen, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the private group for New York session. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next week for Monday's stream. As I said, no stream tomorrow or Friday. Have a great rest of your week or your day or whatever you're having. And yeah, listen, peace out. Much love. Catch you all in the next one. See you later.